Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW X5 key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. It is important to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple battery replacement process is quite straightforward and usually takes less than 5 minutes from start to finish, getting you back on the road quickly. Now let's open your key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually found on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this newly exposed slot. With a gentle twist, you can carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob casing, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you will easily spot the old coin cell battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently lift and remove it from its compartment. Before inserting the new one, take a moment to observe the positive and negative orientation of the old battery. Now, carefully place your fresh CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its designated slot until it locks firmly into position. Now, it is time to test your newly refreshed key fob by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle's doors to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.